blah blah blah.
Blah blah blah. Steve. Okay.
So I reckon we take the gold.
How much gold?
I reckon we just take 100.
I wanted to make sure, proving that it is not allowed.
Do you want to take the gold dagger and the normal one?
Sure.
Actually, we should probably show off the equipped command and the fact that it works, and
That's
that the Zweihander being a two-handed weapon unequips your shield.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah, because
right there in items. Dagger.
And then we will equip dagger.
Then we want to equip shield.
I'll just check the
No
armor.
space.
Armor
The Zweihander's in other thing yet.
goes out.
Yeah. You want to go south to Arnia.
Yep. Oh, it's just too many. Okay, we've got the key now, and we'll take.
Let's take the Zweihander
And,
and equip the Zweihander.
I and unequip your shield. Go north. Go north. Where
Could
is
always
the
prove that
bedroom?
we can't equip the key.
It's good to know that we can't equip it.
Could go north and show that it's locked.
Yeah. Exit is locked. Beautiful.
Yay, we're doing stuff.
Unlock north. Yay! Go north. We are here.
You could show that unlock doesn't work on east because it's already unlocked.
Unlock east. East.
Okay, east.
Um,
Let's buy any of them, really. Okay, Patty's been added to inventory.
wonderful, Patty.
Now, could list the inventory to show difference and also look to
Well, things
show the change to the store.
and how we've got no more money.
Yep.
And that they
And
have
it's still
more
got money.
Let's sell some stuff.
Could sell like everything we have. Could try to buy the dagger that's really overpowered and weighs far too much.
Let's sell something. Oh, we can't sell anything. Pick up dagger.
You mean
Oh,
take or pick up?
I'm sorry. Yay.
Woo.
Now can we sell dagger? Not still a thing we can do. Oh, provement that our flee command works.
Yes.
It exists.
Yay, we're in Arnia.
And we're in the wardrobe. Narnia,
Narnia.
wardrobe, Narnia, wardrobe. Hey, bedroom, there you go. We'll go to east and prove that we can't pick up Patty. Not a valid command. Drop. Dagger. Yeah, proving that things that shouldn't work don't work.
Proving that the game's not broken.
At least not mostly. Quick implementation. We
Yeah.
maze game tests.
With all the unit tests that are shown off in the left-hand side for all the past tests.
And how we got them all to work. Some of our
Yep.
unit tests required us to hard code in the tables, otherwise they wouldn't work. And then
Yep,
it's just
because we had it all in hard-coded data.
doing all of the appropriate tests, testing that the sell command generally works, testing that sell no items works, so if there's no input, testing if you try and put in an item that doesn't exist, that it'll bring back the right answer, and if things are too expensive and you don't have the money for them.
Pickup.
Yeah, pickup command, which was almost exactly the same logic as the...
Buy.
Sorry, sell command test.
Uh-huh.
Because yeah, we had to bring in the same logic. Some of the design patterns used in this were singleton, factory, command, state, and facade. I believe that's pronounced right. Singleton was implemented before, like in the initial coded data, so I actually don't know where that's implemented within the code. I just know that it ensures that only one instance of the class can be created. I think it was done in here, but I'm not really sure.
Okay, so factory design pattern is all about constructing the objects themselves, and it's basically using the new operator to construct all the objects and trying to make it more easy and flexible in general for your program to access the objects because they're easy to create and then access.
So yeah, the command pattern is basically getting all of the logic for a separate command and putting it in its own method that then inherits from a common interface, which in this case is command, which is not very special, but it makes them all known to be of the same object.
We implemented command states so that we can, as part of the state design pattern for determining what commands can be used in what situations, and states can be made up of things like state machine diagram can be made up of event states and transitions, and our states primarily focus on what the player's current situation, like say if they're in a shop or a normal location. For if they're in a shop, they will have the commerce state active, whilst if they are in a normal location, they'll have the movement state active. And if we had gotten around to implementing it, a combat state would have been initiated and active if the player was in a location with hostile NPCs.
So my understanding of a facade pattern is that its job is to help hide subsystems from one another, which, if I can find it, boundary. That's what IMA's client and IMA's data's purpose is. It's to hide the hard-coded data, which we have in a whole other program at the moment, to prevent it from like looking at what could be the GUI set up to it, and to make stuff like adding GUIs and changing the hard-coded data much more simple. Basically what we did was we used this sheet of paper which had all of the implementations we needed to do and the deliverables and such, and used that as our base for creating user stories, and honestly I think it helped.
I reckon it helped a lot as well.
Yeah, overall I think the user stories definitely helped us out in remembering what to do, and also the specifics of like remembering that when you sell stuff you have to make sure that the gold that you get back is only like 80% of its worth and stuff like that.